Hello guys, so you want to know what comes in that stick up cam battery. I already opened it up. This is just basically an unboxing, quick unboxing. I'm not going to talk about the features. You can look them up. There's thousands of videos on the features. This is just basically, I bought this in 2021 at Home Depot, and this is what came in the box. This is a stick up cam battery box. I opened it up. Obviously the camera comes in there with this thing. You can figure out how to open it. It's got a thing in here. You can just open it. I already charged the battery overnight. You get two green. Once it's charged, you'll get two green lights. Right now it's still charging. I'm just using a regular phone charger for Android. It comes with the USB. Comes with a warning on the battery that I took off already, the camera, and that's it. This is how you basically mount it up. Comes with mounting screws. You mount this. They should be around here somewhere. Okay. Probably. I think this is what it comes with. Here we go. All right, so that's the Ring stick-up camera. All right, let's move on now to the to just the indoor cam, which I also bought, and that's it. This is what comes in the indoor cam. This is basically a plug-in version of the camera, much cheaper. I think it was $59. The other was $99. Much smaller. This is that's the stick-up cam and the regular camera. And it comes with the power adapter. Let me move this phone here. It comes with the adapter and a little ring thing, the adapter, and that's it pretty much. You can take this out and put it back here, and you can mount it the other way around. So that's pretty much it. That's all that I got to show you. Anything else, just watch other videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye. And I forgot to tell you, well, not tell you, that's why I couldn't find the mounting screws. They're in this little pouch right there. So don't throw this away when you take out your stick up cam, okay? All right. This is where your mounting things are, okay? All right, guys. Thank you for being a subscriber of Like My Tech. Just subscribe, share, like, whatever you want to do. Bye.